good evening. It's already 4:30 pero padung lagi siya mangit-ngit. Basta inaron da is between 4 and 5. Na ngit-ngit na gid siya. Winter na gid as in. It's very cold. As what you can see, naka-scarf jud ko. Yun ako'y gloves diri. So padung ko sa obviously na ako sa gawas. Hapit ako maabot padung. By the way, padung na ako sa Asda ay mag-grocery, gamay lang. Muna ang pinakaduol na mga grocery store is Asda. Siguro mga 10-minute walk lang gikan sa balay. So, muna akong ang gawas na. Ayan, git-git na gid siya. Ay, naku do. Laban lang taning tugnaw no winter. Sige lang. Anyway guys, mupalit ko. Ano ko ipalit sa Asda gamay lang kay anang ako ra isa sa balay. So I don't know if magluto ko or magpalit na lang ready meal or something. So we'll see. Yeah, so ako lang isa sa balay. Laban lang. New Year, bagong taon. Pero ako ra. Wala akong bana, wala po akong isa ka anak. So, wali. Pero sige lang, laban lang tani, no? Pagkait na nag-New Year, gibiyaan naman ta. Kafait sa life, no? Pero, it's okay. Kinanglan ta mo ani mo padayon no sa atong life. But anyway guys, I'm gonna story time me later. A very quick story time later why nga ako ra isa. Okay, see you later guys. Kinana ko diri sa Asda. So patanawon ta mo sa Asda. Muni ang Laraw Asda na siya supermarket. Yes, so I will speak to you later. Guys, so balik na kung gikan sa Asda, diba na grocery ko. So, nagpalit ko calendar for this year. Kay, naka-realize kung wala pong may calendar. So, I bought a new one. So, this size is pretty good enough. And then, nagpalit ko winter dress. Kaya naka-sale man siya. And then, nagpalit ko, muna ako dinner guys. Muna siya. Tuna, pasta bake, which is a ready meal. Meal for one na. Ikuan na ako sa microwave niya. Okay na. Good to eat na. And then, nagpalit ko pagkaon sa akong among iro, nga si Lucy. I bought 2 of these. There. And then, nagpalit ko noodles para ugma. If I fancy noodles, yeah. I like soba noodles. Unya, parisa na ako itlog. Magluto ko itlog. Para lang sa niya. And then, nagpalit sa ko oat drink nga chocolate flavor. Na siya guys. Mura na siya akong gipalit. Namay lang no. So, mura to siya. Ako ipanihapon soon. Tuna. Ako ramang gusto diri sa balay. Ang akong eldest na anak trabaho na dito niya. Late na food siya ulit. So, di man siya gusto ng kaon. Kasi late na siya ulit niya ba. So, mura na siya guys. So, akong story time ninyo. Ano nga. Taysa. Ay, sorry. Ano nga ako ra isa diri. So, ako sa ipakita ninyo ang among dining room set up na. Muna na siya. Because obviously, Christmas, New Year. So, ako pa na siyang i-put away. So, i-sort out and put everything away and then put things back to normal. So, that was it was a big table that we had over Christmas. Diba? So, and then I still have to sort out our breakfast table. Nagkayamukat na ni siya, guys. So, I will have to put them away and make them look tidy again. So, and some of the Christmas decorations, ako put silang ibutang na balik sa ilang box for next Christmas na food pa. So, mag-tidy up ta na in the next few days. So, ako ra isa diri sa balay kay we actually had the family, my husband's family, here for a week for Christmas and New Year. So they left this morning, and then obviously gihatod ni Martin sila sa Norfolk balik dito. And kuyog pud amo youngest nga si Sam, so he can see his best friend, so mag-catch up sila. So mao na nga ako ra isa kay obviously gihatod ni Martin sila padung sa Norfolk, and then magstay si Martin sa iyang mama for one night, at least makapuhuway siya kay 6 hours bi ang drive padung dito. So they had a really nice time over Christmas and New Year. It was just nice having the family around. We were out some days, some we were just in the house kay winter lagi tugnaw. But at least we spent time with them over Christmas, and that was nice, and New Year as well. So he will be staying there for the night at his mom's, and then balik siya the next day. Kuyog na pud si Sam. So they will be back possibly tomorrow evening na by the time they leave, about 11 or 12 o'clock lunchtime. So hopefully they'll be here by 6 or 7 o'clock nasa gabi. So muna siya ang story nga muna ako ra isa diri. So they're coming back. Di lang kay gibiyaan lang ko na wala. It's nothing like that at all. So they're coming back tomorrow. So ako ra diri sa balay. So I'm just gonna relax. I'm gonna tidy up the table nga akong gipakita sa inyo, and just tidy up here because yeah, it's been a little bit messy, but it's good. So just needs to tidy up and do some things here in the house and clean a little bit and do some laundry as well. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow na guys kay gabi na diri. So I'm gonna do my tuna pasta bake soon. So muna siya. Have a lovely evening guys. Hope you had a nice Christmas and New Year, and I'll speak to you soon and catch up with you again on my next vlog. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like to. Thank you so much. Bye.